Hi friends, I am going to show you how to install GPT for your Google Docs. Click on extension, then add-ons, get add-ons. Search here GPT for Docs and Sheets. Search, then you can find this add-ons GPT Workplace. Click on, then click on install. Then log into your Google accounts. Give the access. Allow. Okay friends, GPT for Docs and Sheets installed. Now you can work with these add-ons. Okay, go to the extensions and then you can see the GPT for Docs. Click on Start. Okay, now you can use these add-ons. For example, I want to generate text. What is management? Then generate draft. Generate draft. Okay, insert in document. I think this method is very easy. If you have any questions and if you know the good better method than this method, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.